Hey everybody, how you doing? I am Mr. Bookman, and today I will be reading The Stone Bird by Jenny McCarthy and Patrick Benson. Please enjoy. The Stone Bird. One day in summer, when the sun was blazing hot, Liz found a stone on the beach. It was smooth, gray, and shaped like an egg. It fitted inside Liz's hand perfectly, and she knew that she never wanted to let it go. When Liz came home and put it on the kitchen table, her mother asked, "Where did you get that stone?" "It's not a stone," said Liz firmly. "It's an egg." "It's too much heavy to be an egg," her mother laughed. "Well then," said Liz, "it's a heavy egg." And she went upstairs and hid it underneath her pillow. At bedtime, when the air was too hot in her room, she liked to take the stone out and feel its coolness against her cheek and the weight of it in her hand. It was her stony secret. Liz was awoken by the sound of something crackling. There, no one on her bedside table sat a stoned bird. She blinked in case she was dreaming, but it was there, gray all over, with a pointy beak and little eyes that looked as if they knew something. The stone bird never moved, not even a teeny bit, but Liz loved it. She slipped it into her pocket and set it next to her plate at meal times. Whenever she went, her stone bird went too. Her mother said, "Where did you get that thing?" "It's not a thing," said Liz. "It's a bird." Her mother smiled. "It's too hard to be a bird." "Well then," said Liz, "it's a hard bird." Fall came, and the golden leaves crackled like paper under Liz's new school shoes. Now that she was busy at school, the bird never left her bedside table. One morning, she suddenly saw something laying next to it, a small gray oval stone. "Where did you pick that petal?" her mother asked. "It's not a petal," said Liz quietly. "It's a little egg." This time her mother said something. She just stroked Liz's hair. Soon it was winter, and frost laced the corners of Alyssa's bedroom window. At night she was warm beneath her feathered quilt, but she worried that the stone bird and the egg would freeze. So she made them a nest from a pair of socks and whispered, "Don't worry, it will be spring soon." On Christmas Day, Liz rolled a crumb of cake beneath the bird's beak. But later, as she played with her new dolls and trucks and puzzles, she hardly thought about the stone bird or her egg at all. By springtime came Liz, has grown tired of waiting. Maybe the little egg really was a pebble. Then one day, when the trees were in bud, she heard a teeny crackling sound from her bedside table. She turned around quickly and saw that the next to her stone bird was a second, much smaller one. Liz felt as if she would burst into excitement. "You did it," she whispered to the stone bird. "You hatched a chick." It didn't move, but Liz thought that something in its eyes looked happy. When the weather got warmer, Liz's mother opened the windows in her room to let the breeze in. That night, Liz dreamed she heard the beating of wings. When she woke up, the sock nest was empty. Her birds had gone. She hunted under the bed and behind the curtains. She rummaged through all her dresser drawers. "Did you move my birds?" she shouted to her mother. "I never touch your stones except when I'm tidying up," her mother called her calmly. "They're not stones," Liz muttered furiously. "They're birds." And she lay down on her bed and cried. Liz thought about her birds every day, wondering where they were. Her mother offered her to take her to the beach and get more stones. "I don't want stones. I want my birds back," Liz told her angrily. Not even the idea of her birthday made her smile. On her birthday morning, when everyone else was still asleep, Liz was awoken by a sharp little rat-tat-tat at her window pane, like the beaking of a beak. She jumped out of bed, raced to the window, but there was nothing there. Then, over on the roof of the garden shed, she saw two gray birds looking up towards her window. The first bird spread its wings and flew towards her, almost brushing the glass with its wings tips before it soared into the sky. Then the second one joined it, and together they circled higher and higher until they disappeared. Liz looked down and saw a big, soft gray feather tumbling on the windowsill, gleaming like silver in the morning sunlight. When her mother saw the feather in Liz's hand, she said, "That's beautiful. Where did you get that?" "It's a present," said Liz, "from my birds." Well, wasn't that a little cute story? That the little girl found a stone and it turned into a bird? Has anything ever happened like that to you? And let me know by giving this video a thumbs up if that has ever happened to you before. Just curious. And have you ever found a special rock and have kept it? And give this video a thumbs up as well. Well, everyone, I want to say thank you very much for watching. And everybody out there, you have a fabulous one. And take care. And can you please share this video for me? I would really, really appreciate it. And give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you could do that. But again, thank you for watching. This is Mr. Bookman, and this book reading is over.